Alright, after 2 failed attempts, ready to go on the third one. So far, I haven't really found a easy way to do it, kind of like I have with the doors. Although, it appears that gluing the motor to the shaft first is the primary goal, since it seems to take the longest for some reason. So, wow, as soon as it hits, it's there. Wow. I ended up flipping you over. I ended up turning you like that so you sit flat. Alright, so now I want glue on you and you. Try to glue on this one. And that's about all the time you have to work with it. That glue's already, everything's there. Next come the string. This is the part that this whole thing hinges on, and hopefully it works. Alright, so now for lifting it, I'm using some Mason tip-up ice fishing line. 25-pound test, 150 yards, 11.4 kilograms, 137 meters. This was some old stuff a friend had, and said it was really old line and he was going to pitch it, so I grabbed it just for this, just cause, and I'm going to use it for winch cable, or winch rope for little sumos, but it'll also work just as well for this. So what I'm doing is doubling up the rope, making a nice tight loop at the end, and now with that nice tight loop about center, I'm just going to put a little dab of glue, and then I'm just going to mash that rope right into it. Alright, so now what that gives me is 2 ropes. Now what I'm going to do with those is I'm going to glue them in at an exact point on either side, and as the rope winds up around the rod, it should naturally work its way out until it gets to the edge, and hopefully there's no binding, no jumping, no twisting, and everything works. So oh wow, instead of talking about it, let's do it. How's that for a plan? Instead of talking about it, let's just do it. Alright, so I'm just going to throw this half an inch in from the end, that way if it does come up past, it'll end up not right tight against the blocks. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to mark these doors as well, because this doesn't take that long, and I can keep talking to amuse you for that long. Alright, now in grand theory, Yay, watching me watch glue dry. This is fun. Yeah, it still wants to move. Okay, so this is going to take me some time. Darn. So I'm going to have to fast forward this. Just so that I don't totally bore you guys out sitting here watching me doing this. Everything else is glued, so I'm going to use my low C pack just to put some power to these. I know these are safe on 2-cell. I just gotta see which way is this going to go, because I'm not sure which way my polarities are at the moment. Come on, get in there. Oh, there you go. This is going too far. I hate working in the dark when you're playing with bare wires and no light pole. Alright. Test run. I couldn't ask for anything better. That looked like it worked like a charm. Next time you'll see it, it'll be in front of the shop.